Hey guys, so today I'm doing a quick review on the sink faucet that we have here for the kitchen. This is the Delta sink faucet. I really love it, guys. It has this silver chrome finish to it. I really like that the handles here have the H and the C to kind of tell you which one's for hot, which one's for cold. I love the gooseneck because it allows enough space for you to be able to wash the dishes correctly. I also really like the little extra spray handle here that it has to kind of just wash off the sink or also like wash some of the dishes. So I really like that. So it's like a double one. It doesn't come all together. It has like one unit for the actual faucet and then one unit for the spray. Also, the handles are super easy to turn on. I'm gonna go ahead and turn them on. Now guys, I don't know if y'all were able to tell, but the water comes out super strong, which I love because sometimes the dishes are a little bit hard to clean. So having powerful water just kind of rinses them off. So I love that. But yeah, guys, I really love this sink faucet. I have been having it for more than 2 years and it has not failed me up to date. I love this silver chrome finish to it and I would definitely recommend it.